everybody, my name is Arushi from LKG B section. Today I sing the rats and the elephant. Okay? Once upon a time, there lived a large number of rats under a tree. One day a herd of elephants came that way and destroyed the rats' home. The rats were very scared. The rat to the king. The king of the rats requested the elephant king. The elephant king agreed, and one day the group of hunters came to the forest and trapped the elephant huge nets. And the elephant king uh, uh, help for Rats King. The Rats King said, "Don't, buddy, I make it friends free." That's it. And the Rats King called to all the rats from help, and all the rats came and cut the net with sharp teeth. The elephant got the free. Moral of the and the elephant thanked the rats. And moral of the story: do